TRKA stock is down 75% on March 10th today. Troika Media reports earnings, stock sinks after sharp gain Monday. Okay, this is an article published on March 7th. Troika Media, a consultancy firm, currently evaluated at roughly $16 million, meaning it's a micro cap stock. And this company just sunk from 90 cents to 24 cents in just 4 trading days. Okay, it only took 4 trading days for TRKA to dump. As you guys recall, I tried to get you out of TRKA when it was 90 cents. I tried to get you out. I published this video showing that I was selling 100% of my TRKA position because I spotted signs of bank manipulation. When banks start manipulating a stock, no matter how you slice it, that stock is going to dump. And in order to prevent you from losing money, I let everybody know on my YouTube channel and in my free Discord, which you can join in the description, that I was selling all of my TRKA. And there was a trader who listened to me. Okay, there are traders who listen to me and who actually communicate with me on Discord. And one trader actually made an 80% return, over $13,000. I'll actually show you him right here. He's on the Discord, and he made $13,000, or I'm sorry, $14,525, an 80% return on his position. So even if you're trading with 10K, if you followed my TRKA call out, you would have made $8,000. You just have to make sure to sell before the stock dumped. And it did dump. TRKA did dump. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Will TRKA rally again? And more importantly, what other stocks can you start trading to get your money back? That's what we do on this channel. We help you get your money back. I am Coach Coda, your day trading coach. I've helped hundreds of traders recover their trading losses, and I actually called out 29 short squeezes in the past 30 trading days. The video on SINT, I called out LUNR, and the video on NVOS, I called out ARLO. Both of those stocks rocketed, and they're up a combined 45%, which would get you $4,500 in profit on 10K. The UNCY short squeeze was one of my most recent short squeezes, up 300%. This is only available here. 1 billion shares sold of TRKA, and that is within the past 4 trading days. So TRKA has done the opposite of our stocks. It has actually gone way down. It's gone way down. Troika Media reports earnings. Stock sinks after sharp gain Monday. Again, the earnings are part of the reason why TRKA fell as much as it did. We have to take into account everything that happened with TRKA, but also keep in mind that it's not always news that moves stocks, but banks. So as long as there is a bank that doesn't want TRKA to go up, or that who wants to manipulate you, the trader, then a stock will dump. If a bank wants a stock to dump, they can dump the stock. All they have to do is short sell the shares, and all of the shares that traders buy thinking that the stock is going to go up, they will keep selling them more and more shares. It's almost like a boat. Okay, I'll draw it out for you. It's almost like a boat. And the boat, right, the traders, they will try to sail the boat, but the banks, okay, this is the banks, they will continue to put more water into the boat until it sinks. And every single time that you or any trader who's buying a sinking boat like TRKA is trying to take the water out of the boat, the bank just has to put more water into the boat to get it to sink again. And that's what they do when they short sell the shares of TRKA. They are sinking your boat. And the more energy you spend trying to take the water out, the more water they put in the boat. And let me tell you, the banks can put as much water in that boat as they want. Don't try to fight them. It's an exercise in futility unless you are Warren Buffett, and even then you still don't stand a chance. You don't want to pick a fight with the banks. Instead, we have to find out what they're up to and beat them at their own game, like we did with LUNR, ARLO, and the other short squeezes, which we were able to buy before the banks put them to the moon. They pumped them up, and that's what we want to be a part of. We want to take the money back from the banks by being a part of these winning trades. That's the best revenge we can possibly get as traders. And yes, I know it's frustrating, but that's why I'm here for you. That's why I made this channel, so I can support you as your day trading coach and help you get your money back. So we have a stock which I'm going to overview in this video, which will help you get your money back if you trade it correctly and if we see certain patterns in the stock market. Again, make sure you're part of that free Discord. Now, keep in mind that micro cap stocks like TRKA are easily manipulated. The banks can easily move them. Why? Because we talked about earlier how the stock is a micro cap stock. 16 million evaluation, that's not much. So it doesn't take much for the banks to be able to dump a stock like this. And that's exactly what they did. So if you want my advice and you know that I'm only looking out for you, it's a good idea to stay away from micro cap stocks if you can find higher quality stocks like ARLO that we called out in this channel, like UNCY that we called out in this channel that's up 300%. There's plenty of strong stocks that aren't micro cap which can still have amazing rallies. Okay. And me and my team will help you recover your trading losses if that's what you want to do. Make sure to join our free Discord, because congrats to our Discord traders. We just had FireMedic51, who was in our last video. He just made another $400 today trading our stock callout LUNR today, and he's up over $1,500 for the week, all while at the office on his desktop screen. So he has a job, right? He's a firefighter. This guy is absolutely epic, and he's making money at the office. So our other Discord trader, okay, you may want to know about Mr. 305 as well, because he actually made $6,500 buying LUNR, our stock trading call out that we published on this YouTube and is in the Discord, which you can access right now in the description. So congratulations to these two amazing traders. It's so common actually for us to win trades, and it makes me so happy every time I'm able to help a trader get their money back, because some of these traders have lost large amounts of money listening to banks or media or bad traders like, you know who I'm talking about, that have said that TRKA can go over $1 and have turned you into a bag holder. Those traders, time to get your money back. And that's exactly what we're going to do, starting with this stock, which I've been taking a look at. Now, I am going to give you my top stock, but before I do that, I want to help you get out of TRKA. We do have the TRKA chart in front of us, so let me go ahead and label it for you. So TRKA currently at about, how much is this? Oh, it's about 24 cents right now. So it's at 24 cents. And this stock right here, okay, if you want to trade it, this is how I would trade it. And especially if you already have a position and you haven't sold yet, this is what I would do. So I would wait for this stock to come to around 21 cents or 22 cents, okay, because there's strong support at 20 cents. I would wait about a day to make sure that it's evened out, and then I would wait for the stock to start coming back up. If that happens, and there's no guarantee that it will happen, but I do think it's going to happen, then you have the opportunity to sell TRKA, okay? And this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but you will have an opportunity to sell at about 34 cents, and that will help you, again, get some of your money back, because 24 to 34 cents is a 33% increase. So that will help you recover some of your trading losses so you don't have such a big hole in your trading account. I don't expect TRKA to go back up to 99 cents, but it's also possible it can go up to about 40 cents or 39 cents. And yes, in the future, far into the future, probably TRKA can go to 47 cents. I'm not seeing it going higher than that in the foreseeable future, but you are free to take your chances. I'm warning you right now, don't do it. So TRKA. Now's the exciting part, right? I get it revealed to you what stock I'm trading, okay? The stocks that I trade have such a high success rate, and the losing trades are so small, okay? Because I don't win every trade. No trader wins every trade, but the losing trades are so small that the winning trades tend to be anywhere from 3 times to 10 times larger than the losing trades. So this is the caliber of trade you're about to get if you trade it the way that I show you and if you join in the free Discord in the description. So this stock right here is called RLX. Now, RLX has extremely strong institutional support, and I'm buying this stock at around $2.42, okay? And keep this in mind, RLX, which I'm going to label here, will not rally guaranteed, okay? Something can go wrong with RLX, bad news can come out, and so we have to watch out for that. However, in all likelihood, there is an 80% chance that RLX will rally if you are able to buy the stock at about $2.40. Now, you don't have to only pay $2.40. Don't just set your limit orders and leave them, or that will basically trap you in every losing trade that comes along. Watch for RLX to come to $2.40 and hold that level, okay? RLX on March 11th, which is today, or it's actually the 10th still. So RLX at $2.40, okay? Buy at $2.40 approximately, right? It's not going to be that amount exactly. It might be $2.45, it might be $2.50. I wouldn't pay more than $2.50, by the way. And then it might even be lower than that, like $2.37, which is totally fine as well. I just don't want to see RLX pull back below $2.30. That tells me that the stock is too weak, and so that's where I'm going to put my stop loss, and where you probably should as well. But sell targets for RLX. I'm selling RLX at a few specified price targets. Those price targets are $2.49, $2.55, $2.66, $2.75, and $2.85. I know that's a lot of price targets, so let me break them down for you. So $2.55, that price target has an 85% chance. I got that one wrong. That is an 89% chance of being hit. So it's going to be hit pretty much guaranteed tomorrow. Then the $2.66, that has a 70% chance of being hit, which is excellent. And then we have $2.75, and that one only has a 40% chance of being hit. And then we have $2.85, which has a 15% chance of being hit. So we have different price targets with different probabilities of happening. So the idea is that you choose a price target that's likely to happen, likely enough to happen, based on where you buy the stock. Now, it may take the stock about 1 to at the most 3 trading days to rally. So watch this stock, RLX. It is my top stock pick for Monday. Well, actually, it's not my top stock pick. The top stock picks are in the Pro program. The Pro program is where you receive direct mentorship from me. You get all of my trades. You learn when I'm buying, when I'm selling, and you learn how to be a professional trader. If you're interested in joining that, you can either DM me on Discord or ask me in the comment section down below. Now, if you are ready to take the next step in your trading career, then I need you to focus on stronger stocks than TRKA. I hate to see traders lose money on TRKA after it's been so heavily manipulated by not only other traders, but banks. And banks never have your best interest at heart. YouTubers are often paid off so that they can take your money and facilitate the transfer of your money to banks. So I'm ready to help you fight back if that's what you're ready to do. I'm ready to help you take that next step in your day trading career if that's what you're ready to do. It's time to start trading the right stocks and to get your money back, because the best revenge is actually taking that money back from the banks by taking great trades like RLX. Now, even if it doesn't work out, I want you to keep your head up because this has the right risk reward ratio to make us money in the long run, just like ARLO, LUNR, AMC, SERA, all short squeezes, which I've called out in the past month. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?